A 5-minute protein spread. Yes, all it takes. You heard it right. So today I'm going to be showing you a recipe which just takes like 5 minutes and your protein spread is ready. Welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair, and let's quickly, without wasting time, go and see the video. First I have some roasted almonds. So I already baked these almonds in the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You could also take it from the market ready, but they are unsalted. Stevia powder. Last, I have protein powder. I have a chocolate protein. You can opt for any flavor you like. So we'll take a regular blender. In the regular blender, there is a chutney jar. We're going to use that jar. And to that jar, now I'm going to add the almonds which I've already roasted. Okay, see now there's a creamy texture which is being formed. To that texture we're going to add little stevia powder and 1 tablespoon of protein powder. And it's ready. You see how creamy it looks, and it's really yum to taste. So here it is, the 5-minute protein spread. You saw, it's quick, it's easy, it's organic. It's loaded with nutrients because we have used almonds. It's loaded with proteins. It will keep you in whatever stage of diet you are. So example, if you're following a ketogenic plan, it will keep you in your ketosis stage. Why? Because we have not used a maple syrup or sucralose, which are hidden sweeteners when you take it from outside. So ideally it's preferable if you make your own nut butter or your spreads at home. Thank you for watching our channel. Request you to please subscribe the channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on nutrition, training, Mech's core, Pilates, and a lot of information. So please scroll on to the playlist and you will get abundance of everything. Thank you so much. See you again.